Hello math scholars, welcome to my channel Mathify, and today we are going to solve one of the most complex problem in IIT class 8 mathematics, as you see here. So let's get into the question. Write the result after applying componendo and dividendo rule for this ratio. So let's get started. So let's write as it is the ratio as a fraction 3a square plus 2b square over 3a square minus 2b square. It's proportion, so we can write it as equals. It is in proportion as you see here. So 3c square plus 2d square over 3c square minus 2d square. So in our last video we have already discussed what is componendo and dividendo. So it says that if you take this as a numerator and denominator, first we need to add and then we have to find the difference. So according to the componendo and dividendo rule, we can write it as, so we have to add the both numerator and denominator in the numerator itself. 3a square plus 2b square, and add the denominator now, so that is 3a square minus 2b square. Now we need to subtract, so 3a square plus 2b square. We just need to keep the subtraction sign now. 3a square minus 2b square. Now let's apply the same rule for the right side of the fraction as well. So the 3c square plus 2d square is the numerator. We have to add the denominator, that is 3c square minus 2d square, and the denominator is, we have to subtract the fractions, 3c square plus 2d square, and just keep the negative sign, 3c square minus 2c square. Now we have to carefully open up the brackets and add the like terms in the next step. So 3a square plus 2b square, so it's addition, so we can write as it is without changing the signs. But in the denominator, it's subtraction over here. So what happens inside the brackets? The signs will change now. So it becomes negative 3a square and positive 2b square. And the same way, right hand side, 3c square plus 2d square. We just need to add, right as it is, 3c square minus 2d square. And for this, again subtraction, the signs will change inside the bracket of the second fraction. So it's negative 3c square and positive 2d square. Now we need to add the like terms and cancel the same terms which is having the opposite signs, like 2b square, positive 2b square and negative 2b square. When you add them up, it's 0. So positive 2d square and negative 2d square. In the denominator, positive 3a square and negative 3a square, positive 3c square and negative 3c square. Now we need to add the like terms. So 3a square plus 3a square, it becomes 6a square over 2b square, 2b square. We have to add them, that becomes 4b square. In the same way, we have 3c square and 3c square, that's 6c square. In the denominator, we have 2d square and 2d square, that becomes 4d square. Now we can just, if you look at the fraction, it's 6 by 4 and 6 by 4 on both of the sides, then those fractions is going to get cancelled. So now as a result, we have, after simplifying, we have a square over b square equals to c square over d square. So we can say that a square is to b square is proportional to c square is to d squared. This is how we can simplify this. As you see here, componendo dividendo rule is really helpful to solve this kind of complex problem easily. Hope you have understand. Happy learning. Thank you.